Welcome back to Auto Vibe, your one-stop destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving deep into the stunning 2025 Tata Altroz, a hatchback that continues to set benchmarks in its segment. Let's begin with the exterior design, which is where the Altroz really grabs attention. The 2025 Altroz carries Tata's Impact Design 2.0 language forward with even sharper styling. Its bold front grille, swept-back projector headlamps, and sleek LED DRLs give it a premium and aggressive stance. The blacked-out roof, chrome-finished window line, and diamond-cut alloy wheels add that much-needed sporty flair. Tata has also enhanced the aerodynamics with smoother body lines and a more refined rear spoiler. Now stepping inside, the cabin of the Altroz is where practicality meets premium. You're welcomed by a dual-tone dashboard, soft-touch materials, and a floating 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The instrument cluster is now fully digital, offering customizable layouts and crisp graphics. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 6-speaker Harman audio system ensure you stay entertained throughout. Comfort-wise, the 2025 Altroz scores well with ventilated front seats, a flat rear floor, and ample legroom for all passengers. There's also a cooled glove box, rear AC vents, and plenty of storage space throughout the cabin. Under the hood, Tata offers 3 engine options: a refined 1.2L Revotran petrol, a 1.5L turbo diesel, and the all-new Altroz EV variant. Each variant is tuned for urban efficiency and highway stability, delivering a smooth and confident ride. Suspension and handling have also been slightly retuned for better cornering and road grip. Safety continues to be a highlight, with the 2025 Altroz expected to retain its 5-star global NCAP rating. You get 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESC, traction control, and hill hold assist as standard in higher variants. Tata has not only refreshed the design but also added features that matter most to Indian buyers. From everyday driving comfort to highway confidence, the Altroz ticks almost every box. With strong build quality, modern tech, and Tata's reliability, the Altroz remains one of the best premium hatchbacks in India. That's all for today's in-depth review on Auto Vibe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest and detailed car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next ride.